In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Analytics to a Weebly website. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to log into your Google Analytics account. So, head over to analytics.google.com and sign in using your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Now the next step is to navigate to the Data Streams section. You can do this by looking for the Data Collection and Modification area on your dashboard. You'll want to find and click on Data Streams to get started with creating a new data stream for your website. Alright, here's where we set up the web stream. You should see an option to choose your platform. Select Web, since we are linking a website. Now you'll need to enter your website URL in the designated field. Don't forget to give your stream a name. This will help you identify it later. Once you've filled those details in, go ahead and click on the button that says Create and Continue. Congratulations! You've made it to the exciting part where you will see a window displaying a block of JavaScript code. This is your tracking script. Make sure you copy this code to your clipboard because we'll need it in a moment. Now, let's jump to Weebly. Open up your Weebly editor, and at the top, you'll see the Settings option. Click on that to open the Settings menu. Next, look for the option labeled SEO in the left-hand menu and click on it. Here, you'll find various settings related to search engine optimization. We are specifically interested in the footer code section. Scroll down until you see the footer code field. This is where we'll paste the tracking script you copied from Google Analytics earlier. Go ahead and paste that code into the footer code field. Once you've pasted it in, you'll want to finalize everything. So, look over to the lower right corner of the screen, and you'll find the Save button. Click that to save your changes and complete the integration. And voila! You've successfully linked Google Analytics to your Weebly website. Now, with this setup, you'll be able to begin tracking your visitor data effectively. As you check your Google Analytics later, you'll gain valuable insights into who's visiting your site, where they are coming from, and how they interact with your content. This is crucial for understanding your audience and optimizing your website accordingly. Before we wrap up, remember that it may take a little time for the data to start populating in Google Analytics after you've made this link. So don't worry if you don't see immediate results. I hope you found this video helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or run into any issues as you go through these steps, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.